Hey guys! I made a fiery and Gaily Mirror decor for someone, and she wanted something that has irregular patterns to look handcrafted and to also contain splash of different colors to look like an artistic painting on glass, but with a mirror in the middle. This was really easy to make, and I'd like to share with you guys how I made it. Now, the first thing that I did was to make an S pattern on a paper, just to give you guys an illustration of how I started. So it's basically just 3 S's that I'm going to be making with lots of curls. And I'm going to be using this for all 4 corners. I then took a foam board and then I cut it into 2. And the other half is what I'm going to be using, and I traced out the shape of the mirror in the middle, and then I'm going to be starting out with the S pattern design on all the 4 corners. I'm going to be doing this on all 4 corners, and I would have used a stencil for one to make it look uniform, but the goal here is to make it look irregular as possible, just so it looks handcrafted. I traced out the pattern with a hot glue gun. You have to leave enough room at the top for the mirror. If you look at the other ones, they're thicker, and that's because I went round with the hot glue gun twice. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. The next thing I did was to use multicolored gems to fill out the outer spaces. And I'm going to be using Mod Podge to apply them. The Mod Podge should be applied in small sections so that it doesn't dry out. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And now I'm going to be using this gold metallic acrylic paint on the pattern using a foam brush. As I was applying the paint, it got smeared on some of the gems and I had to clean it up. So I will advise that it will be much better to apply the paint on the design before adding the gems. And now I'm going to be using golden beads and gluing it inside all of the spaces that was created with the hot glue gun design. When I was done, I glued the oval mirror in the middle. This is the hook that I glued at the back to mount it on the wall. After making this, I decided to go ahead and make a matching vase. And so I picked up this vase from the Dollar Tree and I drew out the pattern using a marker. And then I traced it out with a hot glue gun twice, just like I did for the mirror design. I used a black Rust-Oleum spray paint and I spray painted the vase black. And then I had a bowl at hand and I spray painted that black also, and that's going to be for the base. I glued both together and then use the gold metallic paint on it. I forgot to mention that I made the pattern at the bottom too. It can be left this way, but because I wanted to match with the mirror, I added the beads and then the colored gems too. I only made the vase because I wanted it to match with the mirror. And I love the way it looks so weird and still so pretty. Now this is what she wanted. I just love the fiery and abstract design on this mirror decor, so I went ahead to make mine, but without the gem colors. Let me know what you think about this Gaily mirror design in the comment section below, and remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.